I know, the first comment down in the comment section is going to tell me that I can go to Amazon and buy a block warmer that sticks to the underneath side of the oil pan. Plugs into 110 just like this, warms the oil pan up, does the same thing, only you don't have to put a light in there, tarp over it, then move everything when you get fired up. Couple problems I see with that. Number one, it's stuck to the underneath side of the oil pan on a tractor that I'm taking out back building burn piles with. I'm pushing brush together. Every once in a while, a branch, small, big, whatever, goes underneath the backhoe as I'm building a burn pile. It has the potential to scrape that off, scrape the actual heat pad off, or catch the plug and rip it out. Leaves it completely worthless. Number two, they're cheap. They're less expensive than what I think you should be paying for a quality item. Now, I'm not saying I don't buy cheap things once in a while. Sometimes I'll buy something cheap because I need it right then. I don't expect it to last. I just need it for a one-time use kind of thing. Something like a block warmer, I'm going to be fairly dependent on. Not to mention, if it goes out, you have no way of knowing. You plug it in, you go inside, you wait 20 minutes, you come out, it never heated up. It's broken. The wire got cut somewhere, whatever happened to it. This thing right here, if you were to buy this stuff, I had all this stuff here. It's a Reptile light, 250 watt bulb. I think these Reptile lights, if you just get this part right here, is probably 10, 12 bucks. The 250 watt bulb I got at the big box home store, that big orange box home store. I think it was 8 bucks for the light. Now I bought 2 of them. I can tell when this is working. I plug it in, the light comes on, I put the tarp over it, keeps the heat in there in case the wind blows by. Go inside, I think it took 20 minutes. Hit that starter button, cranks over nice and quick, fires right up. Now, why do you want to heat the oil in your oil pan? Why do you want to heat anything? I mean, just go out there and crank it over till it fires up. It'll work. Yeah, it will. No problem. But as it cranks over slow, because the oil's thick, because it's nice and cold, it's been down in the teens here, sometimes single digits at night, you're putting more stress on your starter and your battery to crank that motor over. Those are going to wear out a lot faster if you keep doing that. Put a light underneath there or find some way of heating the oil in your oil pan. Everything cranks over a little faster, it fires up faster, less wear and tear on your equipment. Pretty easy to make. You don't have to use a 250 watt bulb. You can use a 75 watt incandescent bulb or a 100 watt incandescent bulb. They'll put off heat. Maybe you have to leave the tarp on it, leave it out there for a little longer than 20 minutes to get enough heat in that oil pan. Pretty simple though. It's kind of foolproof, which is what I like. I know when it's working and I can depend on it. If you like this build, hit that thumbs up button for me. If you like seeing stuff get made, built, or fixed, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and a little bell for notifications. Until next time, go make something.